challenges ever. Can it make a human sit inside a car correctly? You think this is easy, right? Nope. Most AI models freak out the moment a car door appears. It's carnage. But perhaps eventually one will be able to do it. Let's wait and see. Let's begin.
Hello, welcome to AI Factory. So let's put them to the test using Poyo AI. Poyo AI is a powerful all-in-one platform that integrates multiple video and image generation models, making it a one-stop solution for creating dynamic visual content. It's both simple and powerful. Whether you're generating AI images or crafting creative videos, it streamlines the entire process. Of course, most of these AI video generators offer free plans, and you can also visit each tool's official website to try video generation for free. I've covered many of these AI video tools on my channel before, so feel free to check them out. Now let's talk about the results. Runway Gen 3 unfortunately failed completely. Couldn't accomplish the task at all. The person was literally walking backward. It was ridiculous and honestly performed terribly. Luma was also pretty funny. The person never got into the car and instead slid alongside it while staying outside, which looked very awkward. Hailuo AI did a decent job overall, but during the getting into the car scene, the hands and feet showed noticeable glitching. Vidu AI had a similar issue. The person stayed outside the car and kept sliding along with it, endlessly drifting into the distance. C-Dance performed quite well overall. The person actually got into the car, but the problem was that the car was reversing, even though my prompt clearly said, tore down the road. Next up is Pixverse AI, and this one was even more extreme. The car was still moving, and the person just jumped onto it. Compared to Pixverse, Kling AI did slightly better. The person managed to enter the moving car, but the door was never closed. VO3 had a very strong first half. The woman got into the car smoothly, and there was even someone filming her. But once she got in, the car started driving backward non-stop.
I didn't
Finally,
wait.
Sora
I just
did
went.
not disappoint.
Keyless start. One touch, heart pounding. And then, the road was mine.
The only minor issue was a front and back orientation error when the person got into the car. Other than that, everything looked great. Overall, 2.2 delivers excellent animation quality with virtually no noticeable flaws. The motion is smooth and stable, showing a high level of maturity. When it comes to realism and clarity in both characters and environments, 2.2 clearly outperforms several other AI generation tools, offering a more natural look and richer visual details. So now I'll leave it to you. Who do you think won? Which one came closest to success? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.